Hi, I'm Jim. Today we're going to visit our Crystal Sand Villa. Our villa is 1,434 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a dining room, and 2-car attached garage. Follow me and we'll take a tour of the home. I have a special guest with us today, Sherry from our Design Center.
Thanks, Jim. Here in the Crystal Sands model, you can see that we opted for a real beachy feel with the ever-popular white cabinets and a marble look quartz on this beautiful extended island. We went with all light finishes to keep it light and bright, and an ocean blue backsplash, a subway tile, and a basket weave pattern. And then for the floors, we did a engineered wood in kind of a rustic design. We can't wait to see you in our design gallery and help you choose the options for your beautiful new home.
We come through to our master great room. It's very spacious, leading out to our lanai. Right off of there we have our master, very spacious. We walk into our bathroom with double closets, double vanity, and a huge walk-in shower. As you enter the Crystal Sand, you'll notice we have a dining room here. There's also an option to convert this into a den. It's perfect for a study or a formal dining area. Also off the entrance, we have a separate suite with a full bath and a laundry facility. This allows your guests to have complete privacy and you to enjoy your home also. One of the other great features at Vicenza is our pocket sliding doors that lead out to our extended lanai feature here. You also have a lot of undercovered space. Our views on water, preserves. We'd love to see you in Vicenza. Come on out and see us.